Hello everyone, welcome back to... Today we're peeling back the curtain on a technological game changer that's set to revolutionize our world. We're talking, of course, about Google's latest foray into artificial intelligence, the extraordinary Lumiere. Imagine a world where technology not only understands you, but also learns and adapts to you. That's the world Lumiere promises to create. With cutting-edge features and an unrivaled capacity for machine learning, Lumiere is more than just software. It's a testament to the incredible strides we've made in AI. A glimpse into a future where our digital experiences are personalized, intuitive, and seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling journey into the heart of this AI marvel. Get ready to be amazed as we introduce you to the future of AI Google's Lumiere. Lumiere, the new AI marvel from Google, takes artificial intelligence to unprecedented heights. This groundbreaking technology is not just another iteration in the ongoing evolution of AI. No, it's a leap, a quantum jump into the future. And today, we're going to delve into the key features that make Lumiere truly revolutionary. First up, we have advanced natural language processing. Lumiere is designed to understand, interpret, and respond to human language in ways that were once thought impossible. It's not just about recognizing words and phrases, it's about understanding the context, the nuances, the subtleties of human communication. It's about making interactions with AI as natural and as intuitive as speaking to another person. Next, we have machine learning mastery. Google has integrated cutting-edge machine learning algorithms into Lumiere, enabling it to learn and adapt over time. With every interaction, every query, every command, Lumiere becomes smarter. It evolves, it adapts, it personalizes. The experience you have with Lumiere today will be different from the experience you have tomorrow because, just like you, Lumiere is constantly learning and growing. Then there's visual recognition and augmented reality integration. Lumiere doesn't just hear and understand, it sees and recognizes. It can identify objects, interpret visual data, and even integrate augmented reality elements into its responses. The world through Lumiere's eyes is a world where the digital and physical realms blend seamlessly. Lastly, we have cross-platform integration. Lumiere is not confined to a single device or platform. It can integrate across a wide range of devices and platforms, from your smartphone to your smart home, from your laptop to your wearable tech. Lumiere is designed to be a part of your life, to assist, to facilitate, to enhance your daily living in ways you can't even imagine. These are the four pillars that define Lumiere: advanced natural language processing, machine learning mastery, visual recognition and augmented reality integration, and cross-platform integration. Each one is a marvel in its own right, but together they form a cohesive, integrated whole that pushes the boundaries of what we thought AI could be. From smartphones to smart homes, Lumiere is set to become an integral part of your daily life. It's not just a tool or a gadget, it's a companion, a helper, a guide. It's a glimpse into the future, a future where AI is not just a buzzword, but an essential part of our lives. This is the promise of Lumiere, and it's a promise that Google is determined to deliver. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some of the leading minds in AI. First up, we have Dr. Beatrix Cognition, a renowned AI researcher and professor at MIT. She says, Google's Lumiere is a game changer. Its advanced natural language processing capabilities are unlike anything we've seen before in the realm of AI. The way it understands and responds to human language with such precision and contextual awareness is truly remarkable. Next, we hear from Jackson Quantum, Chief Technology Officer at Google. He shares, at Google, we're always pushing the boundaries of what's possible. With Lumiere, we've integrated cutting-edge machine learning algorithms that allow it to continuously learn and adapt. It's designed to evolve, providing users with a personalized experience that gets smarter over time. Dr. Clara Vision, a leading expert in visual recognition systems, is equally impressed. She tells us Lumiere's visual recognition capabilities are impressive. It can identify objects with high accuracy and even integrate augmented reality elements. This is a significant leap forward in the way we interact with AI and the world around us. On the topic of cross-platform integration, we turn to Max Integration, a thought leader in the field of seamless technology. He observes, Lumiere's ability to integrate across various platforms is a key strength. Whether it's your smartphone, your smart home, or even your car, Lumiere can become an integral part of your daily life, enhancing your interaction with technology in profound ways. Finally, we hear from Ava Ethica, a prominent voice in AI ethics. She warns, while Lumiere's advancements are exciting, it's crucial that we also address potential challenges and ethical considerations. Google must ensure responsible and ethical use of such powerful AI. These insights from industry experts paint a promising picture of Lumiere's potential. The AI revolution is well and truly here, and it seems Lumiere is poised to lead the charge. While Lumiere brings forth incredible advancements, it's essential to address potential challenges and ethical considerations. The advent of such powerful AI has implications that ripple across society, affecting everything from privacy to job security. Firstly, let's discuss privacy. Lumiere's advanced natural language processing and machine learning capabilities allow it to understand and predict user behavior with remarkable precision. This raises questions about how much data it collects, how that data is used, and who has access to it. Google has assured us that user privacy is paramount, and robust measures are in place to safeguard personal information. But in an era where data breaches are all too common, it's essential to remain vigilant. Secondly, there's the question of job displacement. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's capable of taking on tasks traditionally performed by humans. This can lead to job loss in certain sectors. While this is a legitimate concern, it's also worth noting that AI, like Lumiere, often creates new opportunities. For example, there's a growing demand for AI specialists and data scientists, jobs that didn't exist 2 decades ago. Lastly, there's the issue of AI bias. AI systems learn from data, and if that data is biased, the AI can reinforce and perpetuate these biases. Google is aware of this issue and has committed to making Lumiere as unbiased as possible through rigorous testing and continuous learning. Google also emphasizes the importance of transparency and accountability. They've pledged to conduct regular audits of Lumiere's algorithms and to be open about their AI's capabilities and limitations. This is a step in the right direction, but it's a journey that requires continuous effort and public scrutiny. In addition to these measures, Google is actively engaging with policymakers, academics, and civil society to shape the regulations that will guide AI's development and use. They believe that this collaborative approach is key to ensuring that AI benefits everyone. As we move forward, these ethical considerations will play a crucial role in shaping Lumiere's development and deployment. It's a fascinating journey, and one we'll be watching closely. But what does this all mean for the average user? Let's take a look. By harnessing the power of Lumiere, users have reported a significant improvement in their digital interactions. Take John, a software developer, who uses Lumiere's advanced natural language processing for coding assistance. He says, "Lumiere understands my programming language queries like no other AI I've used before. It's like having a coworker who never sleeps." Then there's Sarah, a busy mom who uses Lumiere's cross-platform integration to manage her smart home. She shares, "Lumiere helps me control my home appliances with ease. It's like having an extra pair of hands." And let's not forget Alex, a visually impaired student who uses Lumiere's visual recognition capability to navigate his surroundings. He enthuses, "Lumiere is my eyes in the digital world. It's changed the way I interact with technology." As these testimonials show, Lumiere is not just a technological marvel, but a tool that has the potential to significantly enhance our daily lives. As we wrap up our exploration of Google's Lumiere, it's evident that we stand at the forefront of a new era in artificial intelligence. This remarkable innovation pushes the boundaries of technology, redefining our interaction with the digital world. With advanced natural language processing, machine learning mastery, impressive visual recognition, and seamless cross-platform integration, Lumiere is set to become an integral part of our daily lives. However, it also brings forth important discussions about potential challenges and ethical considerations, reminding us of the responsibilities that come with such powerful technology. As we've heard from experts and experienced users alike, Lumiere promises a future where AI and human experiences intertwine in ways we've only begun to imagine. The era of Lumiere is here, and it's a thrilling time to be part of this technological revolution. Until next time, this is signing off.